Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a video with the help of AI, completely free of charge and without any prior knowledge. You can create countless videos of various lengths, from short vertical videos for TikTok, Facebook, to long horizontal videos for YouTube or other video platforms. There are no limits, and you can also edit scenes. Subtitles will be created automatically, which you can also edit, add music of your choice, and everything you want. All you need to do is write a topic, in fact, the title of your desired video. Choose the size and the voice that will speak for you. Hit Generate, choose Smart Generation, and again, Generate, and in few seconds you have video finished.
Motivational quotes about hard times.
It's really easy, right? You can even choose a theme from the ones offered, and it will do everything for you. Just choose a theme, add a title, and in a few seconds you have a new video. Or with ChatGPT, make a script and copy it, and again, in a few seconds, you have a video with your script.
When life gets tough, we all need a reminder that we are stronger than we think. In this video, we've compiled 20 powerful quotes to help you find strength in hard times.
It's really easy, right? This way, you can make 100 videos a day in just a few minutes or an hour. Create a new YouTube channel, upload new videos in one day, schedule a new one to be shown daily, and have an automated channel that works for you. You can further edit each video, change scenes, subtitles, background music, and anything you want with an easy interface that does not require any prior knowledge. When you have the perfect version of your video, simply download it to your computer and do what you want. Upload it on social media, YouTube, or even put it up for sale on Etsy or similar sales sites. You can also offer a video production service on Fiverr or Upwork. Many people earn a monthly salary this way without leaving home to work a 9-to-5 job. Imagine working 1 hour a day and earning more than those who work 8 hours a day, every day. Okay, I have something else for you. It's not free, but it's very cheap and everything is already done for you. On the website digital.moderatus.net, you can buy ready-made videos for a few dollars and start your own business with them. The link is in the video description. Also, sometimes if I want animated videos in the style of cartoons or fantasy,
join me as I dive into the world of ancient Rome and challenge myself to uncover the untold stories of female gladiators and what it really meant to be a warrior back then. Female gladiators are often an overlooked aspect.
I use this AI software. It's also not free, but it makes videos so well and quickly that it's really worth spending a few dollars a month to use. The link is also in the description. It's my affiliate link, so if you decide to use it, I'll earn a few dollars too. That's all for this video. If you find it useful, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because I'm preparing many videos to help you work less and earn more.